Okay, here we go. Your science test, Introduction to Earth Science, number 1. Which of the following is not one of the main areas of Earth science? Geology, oceanography, astrology, astronomy. Number 2. The area of Earth science that examines the physical and biological changes that have occurred in Earth's past is called meteorology, physical geology, oceanography, historical geology. Number 4. Which of Earth's spheres includes the oceans, groundwater, lakes, and glaciers? Atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere. Number 5. The asthenosphere and lithosphere are parts of Earth's geosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. 6. What are the 3 main parts of the geosphere? The atmosphere, crust, and core, the lithosphere, mantle, and core, the crust, mantle, and core, or the asthenosphere, lithosphere, and atmosphere. Rewind any if you need to. Use highlighters to highlight important word parts. Make notes if you need to. We're going to go on. I'm going to go to 8. On the global grid, the prime meridian is at 0 degrees latitude, 0 degrees longitude, 90 degrees latitude, 90 degrees longitude. Number 9. A Mercator projection map shows accurate directions but has distorted sizes and distances, distances, sizes, and shapes but has distortions around the edges, size but has distorted distances. Actually, number 9, we're going to make that extra credit. Okay, so number 9 is extra credit. I'm going to do that. Number 10. Which type of map best shows differences in elevation? Mercator, Robinson, Gnomic, topographic. Number 11 is also extra credit. Number 12. On a topographic map, the elevation of an area with contour lines that are very far apart is nearly flat, very steep, constantly changing, mountainous. Now, maybe there's a topographic map somewhere on this test, and you can look at it and get an idea what it's talking about. A map with a scale of 1 to 24,000 means that 1 unit on the map is equal to 24,000 units on the ground. 1 unit on the ground is equal to 24,000 units on a map. The contour interval is 24,000 meters. The contour interval changes every 24,000 meters. Think about what's bigger or smaller. Is the map smaller or is the ground smaller? That's not confusing.